Huge tides whip homes and businesses. It seems
Ce remet peu à peu
is not going away anytime soon.
We usually gather in front of TVs to witness natural disasters. But imagine, this could be you. Since 2004, 3.4 million people have been affected by floods in Europe alone. Climate change, however, is a global phenomenon. So is football. Introducing Floodball. We are organizing a football match in your local stadium in which two teams, led by two famous football players, will compete. And this could also be you. What does flooding mean to you? Tell us by sharing pictures, stories, or videos over social media with hashtag Floodball to win tickets or even get the chance to play on the same team as your favorite player. Learn more as players and visitors share their personal stories about floods. Get your Floodball kit containing preventive tools and useful information. Also get connected with our SMS alert system because this could be you, but it doesn't have to be.